We are starting today with a smile. I'm going to show you how I set up my August 2019 bullet journal using my Happy Planner stickers. As usual, I added a mini calendar in the center of my cover page. Then, I chose a few summertime stickers like watermelons, cherries, lemons, and lemonade. As my accent color, I selected a yellow Crayola SuperTip. It looks amazing. Next, I am setting up my habit trackers. I love using this ink stamp because it's so easy to use and I don't have to draw out each tracker separately. This month, I'm focusing on tracking 4 habits. They are meditate, read, sleep, and my mood. For my gratitude log, I added 3 different columns to keep track of the days 10 at a time. Then I'm also tracking my mood using the key with a black sign for sad, stripes for anxious, and yellow for happy. Next, I am adding my weeklies. This month, I'm going to keep track of my tasks on the left side of the page and my daily log on the right side of the page. I started focusing on creating boxes for every day of the week and adding more lines or columns for Monday through Thursday. This way, on my busier days, I have more space to write the different appointments and things that I have to do every day. I'm very happy with this new setup. It was so easy to do. The best part is I only have to draw the yellow boxes for my weeklies. Then I am decorating each page with some of my favorite summertime stickers. By the way, my favorite fruit is the watermelon. Comment below and let me know what is your favorite summertime fruit. After I finished setting up the weeklies, I went back and decorated the pages with more stickers, and I made sure that every week was marked with the right dates and colorful stickers. And finally, here is the completed flip through for the month of August. Remember to like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you again for watching, and see you in September.